I watched this shit come out of the ocean.
Wow.
And it's on video.
Wow.
It's not just like hearsay. We literally filmed it.
That's incredible.
And the craziest thing about it is that there's all these people from NASA, CIA, and the Pentagon that started showing up at his house and talking to him and interviewing him. One guy, his name was Hal Povenmire, who showed up at his house one day and said, "Hey, is Chris Bledsoe home? I just wanted to hope to talk to him for a little bit." And his son answered the door and let the guy in. And he's like, "I just drove from Cape Canaveral, Florida." The guy, and he drove to I think they were in Fayetteville, North Carolina.
Wow.
So he drove from Cape Canaveral, North Carolina, and sat there and interviewed him and his family for hours.
Wow.
And kept coming back over like a couple times a year to ask him questions, and he was trying to confirm if the guy's story was full of shit or not. Started interviewing people around him, family members, friends, other people who claimed to be witnesses of his event.